Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see about Python pandas data frame, how it creates and then how it look like and what is the advantage and then pros and cons, basically pros and cons of the pandas data frame. To create the pandas data frame, first I need to import the pandas library. Import pandas as pd, and after that I need to create the data frame. Data frame df is equal to pd dot data frame, and here I will dictionary of values I will provide here. First I will take the column name A, and then here I will provide the values 2 3 4 comma 5, and after that I will derive the column B, and for the column B the values are 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10, and after that I will derive the column C. For the column C the values are 11 22 33 44 55, and after that I will derive the column D. For the column D the values are 66 77 88 99 comma 110. Okay, now we will see the data frame output. If you see the data frame output, it contains the 4 columns and then 5 rows. Here if you see the index will be like 0 1 2 3 4, like index starts with 0 and then ends with length of data frame minus 1. And if you observe like a data frame dot info, if you observe the data frame dot info, it will give you the data like the columns and the information of the data frame. And if you take the shape of the data frame, if you take the shape of the data frame is like 5 rows 4 columns, like 5 by 4. So basically the data frame looks like a tabular format, like it contains the rows and columns of data. The good part of this data frame is you can perform the column based operation. So you will see now, like you can create a new column as well. So here I am trying to create the column E, and for the column E I want to perform the operation on the column C. Okay, df of column C dot cumulative summation. Here I am trying to take the cumulative summation. If you observe, like once I done the code and then if I print the data frame, okay, so it will create a new data frame, like sorry, it will add one more column to the data frame. If you observe the C 11 11 11, and the 11 plus 22 33, 30 plus 33 66, 66 plus 44 110, 110 plus 55 165. So this is the cumulative summation, and then we derive the column E, and then we place the data over there. And for example, you can get the location of the data frame, means like a row location. Okay, print df dot location of, for example, here I am taking the location of third row, means like fourth row. As per the index it will be 3. If you observe, it will give the data like 4 9 44 99 110, 4 9 44 99 and then 110. So basically data frame looks like a tabular format, like it contains rows and columns of data. But the pros of this pandas data frame is you can apply on the column level operations, and you can transform the data, and you can add any columns, and like basically you can do add or apply any transformations, and you can create the columns as well. But this pandas data frame is mostly helpful for only small set of data and then medium scale of data. Like small scale and medium scale of data, the pandas data frame will mostly useful. But if you go with the large scale of data, the pandas data frame, like pandas, is not feasible. Like it takes lot of time, like it consumes lot of time, and it is not feasible to work on the large set of data. Why? Because uh, the pandas data frame works on only the single cluster or on single server. So it, if when you have the load, when you have the large set of data, it is difficult to handle that data, and then there might be a chance to get that time lapse, or there might be a chance to have the fraudulent data or missing data. To avoid such situations, like we will go with some other library. It is nothing but like PySpark. We'll talk on later on that part. But that pandas data frame is very suitable for small scale of data and then large scale of data, sorry, medium scale of data, and it looks like a tabular format like rows and columns, and you can perform operations on every column. So, and we have several videos attached to I will attach to this video, like we have several videos on the pandas transformations techniques, and how to derive the data. So I'll add those links here. Please watch, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.